Good morning guys! It is Monday. Hatid namin ang ating Ate Paris sa school. Tingnan niyo, kanyang hair clip ay kumakapit. Good morning ate! It's last week of prep. Excited? Yeah, last 5 school days. And you'll be grade 1 next year. Come on, keep going. Come on, baby girl. Nagkat-kat sa coral. Come na. Come na. Here's for you, madam. Here's for you, madam.
Ati.
Well, Ati, that's mommy's. See? Mama's hot chocolate. Your baby China. Okay, hang on. She doesn't like the marshmallow.
Macho.
That's Mama's hot chocolate.
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Here's my favorite biscuit again. With all the quotes, you know. This time it's don't hide your magic. I'm gonna catch you.
No.
Tignan niyo, I'm riding Ate Paris' bike. This is very small pero kasya pa rin ako. So, pumunta kaming op shop kanina. Pagkatapos namin i-drop sa Ate Paris, meron kaming mga nabili dyan. But before natin dalhin sa taas, paglaro muna natin ang ating baby Celine dito kasi, I don't know, it seems like she's not feeling 100% this morning. Like, hindi siya yung Celine, you know, like the normal Celine. Maybe, yeah, she's got cold. I can see, tingnan yung may runny nose siya. Tapos yung mata niya ay maluha-luha na rin. What happened? Oh no, your hair clip. Do you want Mama to help? Oh no, have a look at your scooter. No! Oh no, come back!
Got you.
Got you. Do you want me to put that back on your hair?
About me.
Okay. Oh no, don't let go of your scooter lang. Lang, the scooter is going.
Got you.
Okay, come here. Come closer to Mama. So, after this laro, we'll go upstairs. Get her to rest and
Jummy,
have a little bit. Okay, I got you. I got you. Ooh. La 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 la. I got you. Lady. I'm coming. Ready? Race. You're a winner, Lily. You're a winner. High five. Oh, good job. Let's prepare something for lunch. Kanina pagka-uwi namin dito, guys, natulog si Baby Celine. Pinadede ko. Tapos, gusto ko talagang lumabas para makagawa ako ng something ba. So while she's sleeping, gusto kong maglinis-linis, yung mga bagay na kailangan kong gawin dito. But no, the moment I got up, pumunta ako sa kabilang kwarto, she also woke up. So ayan siya ngayon. Kung narinig nyo, nanonood lang natin niya. Nursery rhymes. Nagising din siya, guys. But she's not crying. Like now, she's not crying now. Umiyak siya kanina kasi pag gising niya, nandun ako sa kabilang kwarto. I thought na makakagawa ako ng, lilinisan ko sana yung, kasi may dalawa akong bags na ipopost today. Lilinisan ko sana, tapos i-ready ko na para dalhin sa post office. Hindi ko nagawa. It's okay. Hindi pa naman siya nag-1 o'clock. Ano pa? Anong oras ko ba? Yeah, it's 12:47. And then, we're going to pick up at Paris. Pero may oras pa kami. May time pa akong maglinis ng bag at prioritize ko muna tong ating lunch. So, I'm just gonna make, boil some eggs. Now, asa na Jesus Lord, excuse me. Achi pa more. Kasi baby Celine, meron talagang, sipon. I think she's got like a headache. Kasi yung mata niya ay naluluha. Ganyan yung nangyayari eh. Pakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko kanina from the op shop. So, hey, tingnan nyo. Dili to siya nagtaran, ha? Pang to siya, meron to siyang kasamang mga ganito. Para siyang palagyan ng dips. Kapag may kainan. Or kahit like simple dinner. Ganyan siya, oh. Ganyan siya. So, siguro pag may pa rin different dips ilagay dito or kahit anong ulam, di ba? Na maliliit lang yung servings. Ganyan. So, ito nabili ko for $6. I think this one is for, $4 or $5. Ayan. I'll put it somewhere kasi alam kong magagamit ko to. Especially siguro sa bathroom ko. May kailangan, malinis na tingnan ba? Ma-organize. Yan, malapit nang dumating si biyanan ko, guys. In 4 days, nandito na siya. So, kailangan na namin kailangan darating si biyanan bago mag-organize. And I also got this one, Look Tea. And this looks so cute. Kaya binili ko, guys. Kasi, yun na nga, parang organized ka dito. As if naman nagtitea kami, but we have a lot of tea actually dyan. Just in case may mga bisita, yung ganyan, i-organize ko dito. I'll wipe it up kasi it looks dusty. I bought this one for $12. Ayan. Ayan siya. Marami kang mailalagay dito. Kahit hindi lang naman siguro tea. Yung mga magic sarap ko. Kasya dito. Sobrang cute niya, diba? And then, last one, yun lang yung pamili ko, is this skirt na sobra ako nakitan. Ewan ko kung saan ko siya suotin, ha? But, yung kulay and the prints, pastel yung kanyang kulay pink na mint green dito. Tapos yung print niya, tingnan nyo. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I think I can pull it up. I can wear it somewhere. Pag-isipan ko muna. Sobrang ganda niya. Ang dami lang niyang ganap. Tingnan niyo. I wish wala ite. But, I think that's what makes it unique. Diba? Yung mga frill sa gilid. Are you okay? Mommy's just cutting some. Mainit yung kanyang kilikili. What's this one? Watermelon!
Watermelon.
Good job. Say hi, tita. Okay. It's alright. You don't have to. Okay. Say watermelon.
The phone.
Oh, the phone. You wanna go get the phone? Okay. What's your name first?
Nini.
Lainey. How old is Lainey?
2.
2. What is your daddy's name?
Mike.
Yeah. What is Auntie name?
Pies.
How about mommy's name?
Joey.
Kaninang umaga ko lang to na guys, na figure out na kilala na niya ako. Actually, kilala niya naman kami. But pag-pronounce ng name. So kanina hindi ko na siya sinabihan kung anong pangalan ko. Tinanong ko lang siya kaagad. Sabi ko, what's my name? Sabi niya, Jovi. How about Lola? What's Lola's name?
Phone.
A phone. Can you remember Lola's name?
A phone.
Oh. Get the phone. Get the phone. Oh, do you want Mama to come? Hang on, let me just cut this watermelon. And then we'll go get the phone, okay? Is that okay, Lynn? Thank you.
The phone.
The phone. Mainit yung kanyang, guys, subaw siguro na akit. Ang panahon sa Brisbane recently ay maragbuang. Grabe, sobrang init. Tapos, cool na naman. It was 35 yesterday. Sobrang init. Tapos nasa labas kami, diba? So, sobrang init sa labas. Tapos, iba pumunta kami doon sa sinihan. So, sobrang ginaw sa loob. Init na naman sa labas. So, that didn't help. Kaya, ayan. Sipon pa more. Masakit nga yata siguro yung ulo ng batang yan. Masarap. Kaya ngayon kami ni Daddy Mike, bumibili kami ng mga prutas tsaka some vegetables sa yung mga ang tawag yung mga maliliit na shop na nagbebenta yung mga fruit and vegetables na yun lang talaga yung benta nila kumpara sa grocery. Kasi yung sa grocery guys, hindi ganito yung quality ng kanilang mga prutas. I just got the ham and cheese, tomato, toasty for Celine, and watermelon, tsaka banana. Yan lang yung pang lunch niya. Then water. Ito yung dalawang bag na nililisan natin guys kasi we sold it on eBay. So, meron pala sa inyo na nagtatanong sa akin kung ano daw yung eBay store ko. So, ilalagay ko sa screen. I don't know if you can actually search using the username. Or maybe I'll just put the link sa description box below. Just in case na naman kung nasa Australia kayo at gusto nyong tingnan yung mga paninda ko, support your sister. Diba? Oh, she's a sabi. Zombie. Are you a zombie?
Yeah.
So, I sold this Celine, the vintage bag, Kelly style. Ayan. See, na-joy-joy na din to siya once. So, I'm glad na, na siya. Finally, na-sold na siya. So, we're just gonna clean. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys, yung leather conditioner. Hindi ko naman to sila ginamit, but kahit na nakaano lang sila dyan, nakalagay lang sa shelves, ay nagkukolekta sila ng dust. So, make sure na malinis before mapunta sa kanilang bagong tirahan. This is actually very nice. Sobrang nito, classic ba? Celine Macadam. Inside, ay ganito lang siya. Ayan, meron na siyang mga scratches and all guys, kasi pre-owned naman itong mga benta ni mami niya. Some of them, may mga iba na, parang bago pa rin. Diba kama lang? Banana.
I need mommy banana.
Nana, yeah, that's right. So that's the first bag. The second bag is this Gucci na crossbody. Ito siya, wala namang kailangang linisin dito kasi ganito na talaga siya. Ayan siya. Back. The inside, nilagyan ko lang ng palaman para ma-keep ang kanyang shape. Sobrang linis niya sa loob. Third one is this Versace collection na top. Ganyan lang siya.
This lady with those
Ghost? Are you scared of the ghost or the zombie?
zombie.
Zombie? Are you scared of the zombie more? I don't blame you.
I need zombie.
Zombie. Is Lily a zombie?
Yes.
Oh, show me your zombie face. Show tita, dito your zombie face. Yeah. Is that your zombie face? You're still cute. You're the cutest zombie I've ever seen. And the last one is this Burberry na dress.
The purple dress.
Purple dress?
Yeah.
Na long sleeve. Ah, careful anak. Kay
Oh no, mommy.
Oh no. Strawberry. you can have strawberry. Yummy, yummy strawberry.
Oh,
Ayan. Mayroon siyang belt. What's wrong? What's wrong? Tooth? Is it coming off like Addie's? Oh no.
mini Addis. Adi.
Tingnan niyo, sinulatan niya ang kayang kamay ng pentel pen. Kanina sa garage kami, sinulatan ko na yung balikbayan box ng address ng mama ko. And then, ito siya, kaya umiiyak man. Gusto din niya magsulat-sulat. So, binigyan ko siya ng pentel pen. Pero sa ibang box siya nagsulat-sulat. Ay, nakaano lang, hindi nakatingin si mami ng ilang seconds, ha? Ayan na. Oh. Permanent pa naman yan lang. Ala, di na mawala lang.
A few moments later.
Hey, what do you say to Dylan?
That's you.
You're very Thank you. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wanna have a look? Wanna have a look? Witch! No way! There's another one.
There's another one.
There's another one.
Wanna look?
Yeah, it's here. It's inside. You're a lucky girl, Selene.
Is that a little mermaid?
A daddy's.
that's
You got one too now.
Look at that!
Addis.
Artist. No, that's for you.
No.
That's for you, both for you. Yeah.
Addis.
Ate, okay, you can share with Ate. You have same size with your Ate, you know.
And
Same size with Paris. Nandito kami sa shops. We are doing some grocery shopping, guys. Pumunta kami ng post office.
Candy can.
Yeah, di ba 4 yung ipopost ko sana? 2 lang na post ko. Okay, chaos. Bukas na lang yung 2.
$2 shopping. Mommy got this, and I saw you can hang on the Christmas tree, and at Christmas time you can eat all of it.
Hold on, Palingning. Nandyan lang yung coast.
See,
Bili
it's
kami ng
like
pang-dinner.
See, before
You're not holding!
before the candy cane was in here, and it's I saw a little hanging from.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Murag masinggan Paris na.
It's very yummy, actually. You should try it. No.
Okay, si Lini wants one.
Bye.
We're home, guys. Nailagay ko na lahat ng mga pamili namin sa dapat kalagyan. Bumili ako ng manok kasi gusto kong magluto ng menudo na manok tonight. But then, I realized, ito pala naiwan ko dito na mamisita sis. Kaldereta pala to. Kaldereta spicy sauce. Kaya gusto ko menudo. Kaya hindi man pwede sa mga kids pag ano. Kailan ba to? Nag-expire na ba to? Ayan, so maybe bukas pupunta ako ng maybe yung may Filipino store ba. Bibili ako ng mga ganito. Kasi, need ko na. Meron pa akong magic sarap. Kailangan ko ng crispy fry, yung adobo mix, yung mga ganun. Anyways, so yung gagawin ko, kasi bumili nga ako ng chicken, mag-a-adobo na lang ako. Meron ba tayong ano? Oh my God, ako na talaga yung pumunta ng shop tapos hindi ko nabili yung mga kailangan ko. Mag-a-adobo sana ako kasi meron akong tuyo tsaka suka. Wala palang onion. Bukas na lang yan para makabili ako ng ano. Ano ba pwede kong lutuin ngayon?
Mama.
Yes, baby girl. Yes, baby girl. Ito na lang. Para mag-breakfast tayo. Ito na lang kasi kinakain to ng mga girls eh. Meatloaf. Tapos with, with eggs. Yan na lang siguro. Para mabilisan na rin. Kasi si Daddy Mike, yung kakainin niya ay iba. Kasi may si Daddy Mike may special diet. Diet si Daddy Mike. I'm talking to my sister, guys, kasi it's her birthday today, but sobrang blurry naman ang ating internet. It's her 25th birthday today. Tingnan nyo.
Where's water?
Grabe ka blurred.
My done. Done the hair.
Yes, please.
Where's the candy canes? I'll put them on the tree.
Na, kasi mait them.
I won't.
No.
I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise, Mom.
You promise half?
Promise a lot.
Show tita dito. Careful, hold it up there. Kasi ko.
We bought this at the $2 shop in Karen Hill, and I say these are real candy canes. And I said you can hang them on the tree as well. And they're very small candy canes. I'm gonna sing you a song. It's called Jingle Bells. It's very bad but very funny. Jingle bells, watching smells. Again, I want to sing that. I'm gonna
How about you
sing
sing the 6 what boom?
A jolly kangaroo was far away from home in a big zoo. Mommy, where's my mommy? They took her away. The hoppy son, hop on the sleigh. Said a little jolly hop. 6 white minutes, now white minutes, racing Santa Claus for the blazing sun. 6 white minutes, now white minutes, on his Australian run.
It's already 9 o'clock. Tingnan niyo ang isa. Still playing. Ang ating Ate Paris ay nakatulog na guys. Nag-toothbrush. At ayun. Humihilik na. Nandun sa kwarto namin. Itong isa ay naglalaro pa man. Oh, may energy pa man. Diba? Ash. Sinot mo ka, Ella? Are you hot, la? Are you hot? Yes. Tingnan nyo. Building blocks. Himala. Normally, ito siya yung nauunang matulog. Not tonight. Beautiful show, tita. Dito, what you're doing? Look at Lini's work. Lini just made a building.
A car.
What is that? Is that a house?
Yes.
Wow.
Here's my house.
It's your house. Oopsie. Oopsie. Nearly. The foundation is not strong enough. My sweetheart. Wow. Wait. Oh no, oh no. Oh no.
Mommy, help me.
Okay. Mama hold for you. Ala.
Yay.
Yay. Wow. Oh my goodness. Foundation. It needs a strong foundation. Like this. I'm going to end the vlog now guys kasi itong isa ay papatulog ko na rin. I'm just gonna do a quick shout out before natin i-end ang vlog natin for today. Shout out to Viuli, Caro May Torres, Janzi Pinay in Australia, Gina Tan, Rowena's Fashion in Life. Hello, Ate Weng. How are you? Shout out to Rosalie Vlog HK, Nordu Damen, Rochelle Pacana, Minda Saludares, Marlene Suitos, Esther Timwat, Yet Balino, Elizabeth Tolentino, Edna Ferdrew in Arizona, USA, Cecil Mangetrelos, Giselle, Jenny Malaka, Hilaska, Nalin Roque, Esther Galiza, Wilfredo Corpus, Philly Lamparo, and Delaney Prince. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up, bling bling. Thumbs up. Like this. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, Lini, say be careful.
Oh, Mama.
Be careful. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye-bye, Lini. Bye-bye.
Mommy, bye bye my tail.
Oh, you want